G'day, it's Dean here from Volkswagen, here with my good mate Raph from Bakslap. I suppose the two of us got together. Friendships are normally formed over a long time, but we had a common need, and that was to get the message out about sun safety. And one of those things means that when we do a delivery of a new car, we actually have a beach bag with a towel and also one of Raph's products, which is the Bakslap. And to tell you a little bit more about the Bakslap, Raph, over to you.
Thanks, Dean. What is Bakslap? Bakslap is this handy little device that allows you to apply lotion to those spots you normally can't reach. Let's extend it. This flips back. We can apply any lotion or sunscreen here. It extends so you can reach the back. There you go.
Thanks, Raph. Yeah, I suppose we formed our partnership and it was Raph's need with this product to have a van, and the little caddy has worked out fantastically well. It was also interesting when talking to Raph that he'd lost his sister, unfortunately, to melanoma, which was the catalyst for this product. And at the same time, we'd actually lost a colleague of ours to melanoma, and so it was on that basis that we felt like we owed it to help spread the message of sun safety, and the Bakslap product has become part of that crusade, hasn't it?
Certainly has. And really, this partnership is about not only safety on the road, but in the sun. It's about community awareness and values that we both share. So it's really wonderful that we can be part of the Volkswagen family and spread this message across the Sunshine Coast.